bilang Bini. At napansin ko yung dedication nila sa kanilang ginagawa para sa mga katulad ninyo ay nandun na sa umpisa pa lamang. I want to say na sobrang blessed ako na in my lifetime, I still get to work with the #1 all-female P-pop group. Kaya naman siguro it's no surprise that we all need to congratulate the girls for winning the Best Asia Act MTV Europe Music Awards. It's amazing to know how much they've accomplished so far. How do you
Bini! 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 Bini!
How does that make you girls feel?
Syempre, super grateful po kami and it's such a huge honor. It's such a huge honor. Dahil hindi lang to, parang hindi lang namin dali yung grupo namin. Di ba po? Dali namin yung buong OPM as a whole. And hindi naman posible na without the support of our blooms. Maraming salamat Blooms for voting. Grabe, kasi hindi na kami active this past few days sa Software, pero nakikita namin yung mga efforts nyo sa pagboto. Maraming salamat. And of course,
Iiyak na yan!
maraming salamat po, especially sa nagpatuloy na nagbibigay ng mga magandang songs for Blooms. Dahil kaya naman natin talaga pumunta ng global. Support na natin. Congratulations to Sir Gary sa inyong Pilito Morales Lifetime Achievement Award. This is our award for music. Congrats,
Let's go, Gary!
Sir Gary, I just want to let you know that you are one of those people who can support terms of communication with God, keeping our relationship good and strong with God, and also just being as a person as you are in general. Starstruck kasi ako kasi.
Yung sa gitang inspiration, Bini, look at how many people you're inspiring. And even, I'm sure, sa second night at sa third night, ganito karami ang na-inspire ninyo. At it's just so good to know na ang mga nakatayo dito ay hindi lang magaling kumanta at sumayaw, but they have a good heart and a good head on their shoulders. So thank you again, Bini, for inviting me to be a part of this. I will never forget this experience. And I will never forget the support that all of you are giving artists like Bini today. And all the support that we need. Kaya ngayon, nakikita nyo, pati international scene. Ayun na, ito na yung Bini. So thank you again, Bini. I love you all very much.
Thank you so much. Nung alam niyo ba kada word na lumalabas sa Sir Gary, umiiyak kami. Like, nung lang niya kami yung noon, sabi, how are you? Umiyak na kami lahat. Yun lang.
Let's go, Sheena! Hey!
Pero, look, next one, change po ng music. Ang malungkot kasi. Next one, December 20 and 22, si Sir Gary naman na mapapanood natin dito sa Araneta!
Alam nyo, Bini, 40 years na ako sa industriya, kaya I'm going to celebrate it one more time here at the Araneta Coliseum on December 20 and 22. At sana makita-kita din tayo. At kung hindi kayo pwedeng pumunta, imbitahin nyo yung nanay ninyo. Pati ikaw lang ang lolo ninyo, sigurado kung gusto nila yan, ha? Thank you, Commerce. I love you all. Thank you.
Thank you po, Sir Gary. And, Araneta po sa baba!
Yeah! Balay!
Sir Gary, saan po kayo
nasa photo card? Nasa photo card eh. Uy! Ah.
Kami, as Blue, hindi kami performers lang. Mahalaga na
Galing.
sabi kami, di ba sa akin kami sa kampo.
Maganda na ma-advocacy yung group. Yun yung isa sa mga rason kung bakit ginagawa ko yung mga ginagawa ko. Through our dances, in-incorporate namin yung sign language, and that's why we tap into the deaf community. We want to make them feel heard. So as an introverted person, feel ko sila.
Alala ko po nung nasa Bohol po kami, nagpunta po kami sa isang cafe na yung mga workers po doon, yung mga servers